I'm talking today about Snowball Profits, which is launched today, actually in about 10 hours' time. It's been put together by two guys, Michael Sirois, that's S-I-R-O-I-S, and I'm not sure how you pronounce it, and Reid Florin. Here we have what they themselves are stating about it. Discover the exact system that generates a minimum of $8,435 per month in recurring income per site. Meaning, of course, the more sites you've got, the more times it multiplies. Month after month after month. Snowball, of course, Snowball Profits means, I presume, that like the rolling a snowball down a hill. As it rolls, it gets bigger and bigger, and as it gets bigger and bigger, your money gets more and more, becomes more and more. Anyway, if you think about it, with your own passive income machine, you can also have affiliate promoting you. Watch the video and learn how to predict how much money you will make on a 6-month time frame from recurring commissions. Well, here we are. What do we have to say down here? Fancy some of that? Then grab Snowball Profits now. Are you frustrated by your online business? Are you burning out your audience by promoting products that only pay you once? Now, but I mean, that's a bit misleading in that only promoting products that pay you once, meaning they pay you cash, the full price, and that's it. So what they're saying is, get them to drip it. Pay you in installments. And so they're paying you time after time after time. I should imagine the only benefit from that is that if they're paying you in installments, they will keep coming back to see what you've got to offer and then buy more. So, are you tired of promoting different products over and over again and not getting paid month after month after month for your efforts? If you've been marketing online for any length of time, you'll probably answer yes to at least one of those questions, perhaps even all of them. All three. It's not your fault. You've been told. Build a list. I agree with that. Promote related low ticket offers to that list and you'll make money. You may make money for a while, but it's a hamster wheel, and that's next to impossible to get off it. Plus, every time you promote something, every time you promote someone else's low ticket offer, now your audience is getting emails from that guy and everyone else he promotes. I'm not sure what that means. It really isn't terribly significant, this lot. Inside Snowball Profits, we're going to show you, this is more interesting, we're going to show you what type of passive income machines you want to create, the type of content you want to add to your passive income machines, how to have a well-structured passive income machine, recommended one-time offers to use in your sales funnel to maximize your profits, how to multiply your product creation efforts to never run out of content for your passive income machine, how to set up your passive income machine, how to make your passive income machine easy to navigate, how to set up payment processing so you can collect payments month after month. How to get others to spread the word about your passive income machine. How to track your results. How to get traffic that converts to passive income sales. How to scale up your passive income machine. And a whole lot more. It's good to add that one to the end of something, isn't it? And lots more and more and more and more. Well, that's whether they do or they're not. Or they don't. There's enough there, isn't there? We want to make this life-changing program an affordable program for anyone who wants to have a massive, that always amuses me, the adjectives they use in these promotions, massive, enormous, gigantic change in their financial situation. Well, a change in itself would be satisfactory, I suppose. Snowball is divided into 7 modules, and they are quick and easy to digest if you want to eat them. So you can start profiting right away. We want to make this an absolute no-brainer and give you the tools you need to succeed. So we are including the following bonuses. Alright. Bonus number 1. Skeleton cheat sheet. It's not bad. Not mad keen though. Bonus number 2. Legal pages. Bonus number 3. Refund request crusher. Refund request crusher. As a passive income machine owner, you will sometimes have refund requests from shady buyers. It's part of the game, but you don't have to refund them. Instead, I show you how you can win most of these bogus claims by simply implementing what is in refund request crusher. Any marketer that sells content needs this. I'm not terribly enthusiastic about that because in my past I've sent requests back for refunds and I've been absolutely kosher, absolutely honest about it, and they have tarred me with lots of different brushes, making me out to be this type of person they're describing. Someone who just wants to get their money back and have the program as well. And it cost me a lot of grief. So I'm not happy about that. Fortunately, I will give you 5. Was that the last bonus anyway there? Let's see. The very best price right here now. I will give you 5 bonuses. And they are all very, very good bonuses. I mean, look down below this video and you will see the URL for my website. Click on it and it will take you into my website where you can purchase this Snowball Profits. Sorry about that. My memory isn't as good as it used to be. Anyway, you can purchase Snowball Profits and you can see my 5 bonuses and read a little bit about them, and you'll see that they are really very good, very modern. And I'll tell you this, my bonuses alone are worth a lot more than the cost of this Snowball Profit. So $11 Snowball Profits. One of my bonuses alone is worth a lot more than that. So you've got 5 times that. And these guys, let's see anyway what else they have to say. So don't forget below, don't do it when you finish here. Click below the video and you'll be able to see what my bonuses are, how to buy this as well, and anything else that's on the go. Reid and I have more than 20 years of experience in passive income, and I guarantee that we have never shared this before. Oh, okay. How would you like to start building your own little passive income machine right away? Right away? Not yesterday or tomorrow, like now, in a minute. You can do this in your spare time, and before you know it, you'll have recurring income pouring. There we go, another adjective. Pouring in while you go about your daily life. In other words, whilst you're fast asleep in your snuggy little bed, you'll have money pouring into your bank, ready for you when you're waking up in the morning. Well, it's nice thought. And it does happen, so. In a numbers game, it's a numbers game, so your goal may be different to the next guy. But whatever your goal is, you can achieve it if you apply the simple process outlined in Snowball Profits. Think about those numbers for a second. Just think about all the money you'll make, blah, blah, blah. Can you see why we love this so much? Now, of course, some may not stay the full year, so you could be $5,000 a month, but the crazy thing is, that's just 2 subs per day. If you get 2 customers per day, you'll end up earning $5,000 a month. Get the very best price right now. Well, it's cheap today and a bit dearer tomorrow. So, if you reckon this will do you good, if you reckon you can make money out of this, you'll have a recurring income of $7,000 per month by the end of the year. If you just add 2 new customers on per day, sounds good, doesn't it? Any money back guarantee? No, I can't see one, but nevertheless, there you go. Grab it. It's worth the money, I suppose. It's always so cheap these days, these programs. $11. You won't miss it. In Europe, that's about the price of 1 pint of beer. I'll talk to you another time, okay? Thanks very much. Bye.